I am here in Vegas on a journey with, who do we have?
Lonnie Vega.
Oh, Lonnie Vega. And I had to record this part because, whoo, this is a hell of a situation we got here, right? All right, so we got the gear, of course, and then we have outfits, of course. Okay.
Gotta always be prepared.
Yeah, she has to be prepared. That's what she says.
Yes, I have to be prepared. I gotta bring it all.
And then we are in the land of nowhere, okay? Trying to get to our location. So, wish us luck because we still got a long way to go. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready for this. Let's go.
Let's go.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get that. If I was a real wonder, then I could save me from turning around. Lift me off the ground, and one day I'm free. Yeah, I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now, so I can
Face that way, kinda. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. So I'm using light to kind of fill in shadows from the main sun that's over there. Perfect. You see our result. Here we go. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Kind of glance off to me that way. Yep. 1, 2. 1, 2. I like that. 1, 2.
holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned. What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to. No one understands, this shit's too complicated.
So we going through here. How do you feel? Cold.
Great. Anything for the cause. Anything for the right picture.
Anything for the right picture. Okay. So we're gonna finish up with some natural light, you all, because it is quite windy up here. So we're gonna make it work. We are going through here, where you still kind of got some natural light coming through. So we're gonna try to bang these out with the not the 8200, but
Are we going through the square?
Yeah,
we're going through the square.
Yeah, we're going through the square. Is she scared?
I mean, if I was scared, I'd have every right to be if I was scared.
If you were scared.
Wow, this looks so much bigger far away.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine, and we back.
We are using the 35 to get these shots. We we used off-camera flash. Now we are using natural light. The sun is about to go behind these mountains, so this is probably the most pleasing that we're gonna get for probably like 10 or 15 minutes. So we're gonna take advantage of it. How you feel?
I feel great. I feel very sun-kissed.
Very sun-kissed.
Very sun-kissed.
I don't wanna keep on wasting love.
I like that. Hold that. Perfect. Perfect. Love it. So I'm gonna have you sit on, you see that thing right there? See if you can like sit on that bottom one. Yeah. Boom. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Boom. Let's see if, let's come back. Let's come to that wall right there. I want to try to get you in the light. All right. Yeah. So you could probably scoop. Yeah. That's it right there. 1, 2. Perfect. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. I want you to I want to just kind of get like your bare back. So kind of like this. You probably could do it right here. The sun hitting you right here. So right here, or we could move right here because I know this is shorter. So let me know which one. Do it seem like you reaching right there? You want to go to the other one? Okay. Okay. All right. Boom. And just look out to your right. Yeah. 1, 2. Perfect. I'm gonna get a full